Hello everyone and welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Pro Market Analyst at Hantec on Monday the 11th of November. Let's have a look at euro dollar now, which has deteriorated quite alarmingly actually in the last in the last week, where you've had 5 decisive negative candles in a row and the move has now broken below the support. We saw this support building around 110.60 to 110.75, these old breakout levels that held for initially last week, but then broke decisively down on Thursday and then confirmed that move on Friday. And it really did come with this deterioration in momentum indicators where RSI fell back below 50 decisively. MACD lines negatively confirming the acceleration lower from the bear cross, and also stochastics in negative configuration. And it now really does suggest that the market is moving, well, not only underneath all the moving average, under the moving averages, which is a negative configuration there, but also having broken that pivot band 110.60 to 110.75, that becomes an area of overhead supply, effectively completing a top pattern of around about 100 or so pips, 110 pips. So you could argue a move back to 109.60 area, and it certainly would suggest that I think 109.90, that reaction low from October, which is in effect also a pivot area, that is likely to be tested, I think, in the coming days. So intraday rallies repeatedly in the last 5 days have been sold into, and you've seen that whereby you see the intraday moves to the upside, which on the hourly chart continue to form lower highs and lower lows. You can see around 60 on the hourly. RSI is a limiting area. Around neutral now on the MACD lines is limiting. You've seen the stochastics already crossing back lower again every time in the last few days that has happened above the 80 mark. That has created renewed selling pressure and the next leg lower. So this rally today, it's not really all that significant. You've got, I suppose you could argue, resistance around the 110.30 area from that reaction low from the 7th of November. But to be honest, I think this is just a little bit of a consolidation really in front of what could well be the next selling phase that takes it back towards the 110 big figure mark and 109.90, which is that reaction low. And I think a test of that could well be seen in the coming days. So selling into strength now in euro. There has been a shift and a change in outlook. I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.